Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Range Rover Evoque, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. This is a Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 PureTech all-wheel drive. It's a 2014 on a 14 plate, has done 72,474 miles. Fuel economy, urban 39.2 miles per gallon, extra urban 53.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 47.1 miles per gallon. A 0 to 60 time of 8.5 seconds, a top speed of 121 miles per hour out of a 190 brake horsepower 16 valve engine. Road tax 6 months is £110 and 12 months is £200. It has xenon headlights, high pressure headlamp wash, the front parking sensors in the lower part of the bumper there, multi-spoke alloys. It's got the full glass panoramic roof there, folding door mirrors, rear privacy glass, and then we've got this kind of door protector, sill protector, and the wheel arch protectors, the plastic trims around the edge. Electric boot release there. Split folding rear seats. We've got the load cover which lifts up with the tailgate or comes out completely. Nice flat load area. Reversing sensors in the back there. The twin chrome exhaust tips. Integrated tailgate spoiler, and the wipers up there, so shielded away from the ice and whatever. Plenty of room in the back here. It's I think the colour's Ferenz red and this is black leather. There's airbags everywhere. They're in the A pillar, they're above the driver's head, they're here in the they're in the B pillar, the C pillar, the D pillar as well. It's a lovely car, and of course it's got the panoramic sunroof, which is great, and also the blind. If it's too hot, too sunny, you can put the blind across. Blind across, easy for me to say. And you've also got here a rear armrest and cup holders here. Nice and comfortable. Magazine nets here, and it's got the Meridian speakers, the surround sound system, so the sound's really great in the back too. I'll just take you for a ride in it. As soon as I stopped filming outside, it stopped raining too. So there you go. Anyway, don't worry about me being soaked. So start button there. It's keyless go. You've got two Range Rover keys there, the neat tiny ones. I'll just put those in there for the time being. They'll probably rattle. I may have to move them. So as you saw, the gear selector comes up out of the gear tunnel when you turn the engine on. This car's got a really good spec. It's Ferenz red, black leather. Got the brushed aluminium dash and the sides of the gear tunnel here, matching Meridian speakers, and the speaker system again is fantastic. I'll play a bit of music now actually, and just kind of selected to show you just how good this is. So we'll just put this on and turn this up. Audio. Of course, that didn't make me jump out my skin at all. Anyway, other stuff. This, as I say, the spec on this is fantastic. 3-position memory seats, and just looking around here at the airbags, as I said before, there's an airbag in the A pillar. There's a roof airbag just above my head here. There's one in the B pillar, one in the C pillar, one in the D pillar. No doubt there's knee bags as well. So no doubt you'll survive the accident, but then you'll be suffocated with all the airbags afterwards. So a little squirrel going across the road there. That's good. Right, easily distracted. So, service history. We have a kind of stack of bills here for the services. Rather than go through these now, I'll cut them into the description later. But we have got them there, which is always better, because with the obviously digital service history these days, you don't know where you're up to. We've also got, if I just turn the lights on here to headlights and then squirt the screen, we've got the high pressure headlamp wash. Here we go. Height and reach adjustable steering wheel. 3-position seat memory. Will just play seat memory Russian roulette. That one's not too bad. Number 1. See what sort of person had the car before. Short person with long legs. Not sure how that works. There we go. That's not too bad. So we've got electric seats as well. Also got heated seats, heated front windscreen. The steering wheel, car's automatic steering wheel. You have paddle shift on the top there, the minus on the left, plus on the right, so I can change down from there, change up from there. I can change into sport here, so it holds it in gear longer. But we're not kind of interested in that. Here you've got your terrain response. You can set it like well, I think Richard Hammond said there's one with a cactus there. That's for driving in Mexico. That's for driving in Iceland and wherever has Christmas trees. I'll say Canada. The other thing you have to remember with the Evoque, although it's got the Range Rover badge on, you're still not allowed to park in 2 parking spaces on the curb outside a shop in a disabled spot, or anywhere you feel like it, like you can in the big Range Rovers. But these certainly feel a bit nippier to drive, sportier to drive. They are good on fuel. So we've got a heated front windscreen there. We've got cruise control, which I'll show you and test myself in a short while. Let's just have a look. Power folding door mirrors. How to operate it just escaped me there for a couple of seconds. Nice comfortable seats. A front central armrest there with I think there's a USB and an auxiliary, but you've got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming, which I'll show you how to do. As I say, pretty nippy engine. Telephone controls there, so that's cancel there. Cruise control on Range Rovers, in fact everything on Range Rovers is pretty good. The Sat-Nav, very very simple but good. The cruise control, oh dear me, it's cruise control, one touch, comes on straight away. You can cancel it and resume there, and increase and decrease your speed without taking your hands off the steering wheel, and you can actually see it. Some cars obviously have it's on the like VWs where your indicator stalk is, and you can't see it for the 1/4 to 3 position, which is all right if you drive the car all the time, but when you first get in it, or you share a car, kind of fumbling about. That's Sat-Nav, that's display comes up there, destination entries up in the top left hand corner there. We've got audio, video. If you want to play, we better just turn that down again. If you're wanting to play anything, you see there the source button. If you click source, that gives you the choice of auxiliary, USB, stored CD, DVD, iPod, and your iPhone. Once your phone's paired to the system, of course. The great feature is the pan roof. If I just click that, it's a big roof, and it's taking that blind some time to come across. But there you go, that's the blind closed completely. I prefer having the pan roof open all the time, really. Makes the whole interior of the car, even with a black interior, look nice, light and airy. Black can look a little bit claustrophobic. But it's a lovely car. Integrated tailgate at the back. I did notice when I was flicking through the controls there, it has kind of a winter park for the wipers. I'm not sure whether that's. Let me just. I go into vehicle setup. Vehicle setup there, you've got alarm sensors. Let me just click set for cruise control. While we're doing that, that's going a touch too fast. Just drop that to about 70. We're doing about 15. Oops, I'm just going to come out here because he looked like he was going to. Still not convinced he's not. Thought he was going to broadside me. There he goes off. So there we go. We've got alarm sensors, reverse dip mirror, so when you put it in reverse, mirrors dip so you can see the curb, so you don't run over anything. Easy entry and exit. Not sure what that is. I know on the bigger Range Rover the suspension goes down. Two-stage lock-in, audible lock warning, window global open, window global close, winter wiper park. That was what I was looking at before. And drive away lock-in. That's so nobody can, you don't forget to lock your doors and nobody can jump in and at traffic lights. Headlamp delay 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 240 seconds. Obviously, if you live in a mansion house and you've got a very long driveway. But nice car, nice leather steering wheel, nice and tactile. Your electric windows here, memory seat there, got electronic handbrake, and you've got the all-important off switch for the stop-start system. Great Meridian speakers. Actually, I'll just turn it up from here. Half brick there. You absolute idiot. We're doing 20 miles an hour. MX-20 YG. How to cause an accident. So excellent braking, ABS, and don't forget, if I had run into the back of him, we've got all those airbags as well. They were resurfacing the road here the other day. Now, I think that's for just cutting the hedges. So we should have a nice, clear, fully resurfaced road to test the steering. Yeah, here we go. I do like the look of these. I think they're probably the best looking four-wheel drive kind of SUV in this size between all the others, the Audis and so on. Having said that, I think the Range Rover Sport's the best looking, bigger four-wheel drive as well. It's a real bumpy road up here.
Anyway, and what is it that's driving you to see it?
So a lovely car to drive. We've got a couple coming up. Just trying to think what I'll be able to do next. We've got quite a few vans in. A couple of the vehicles that we've got in sold just off the normal pictures. What have we got? Transit, a BMW Estate. I can't think what else. So anyway, thanks for watching this. Have a look at our website, ggcars.co.uk. Give us a shout if we can help you anyway. We've got live chat, email and so on. And see you in the next video. See you then.